Hey guys, it's me again. Last time I showed you guys how easy it was to do not only your manicure, but yours and your kids' manicure with these super fantastic glow-in-the-dark ones. But I must say that I wanted to give them some pizzazz. So there's multiple ways to do that, and this is how you can get your Pinterest-worthy nails without going to pay somebody a whole bunch of money. You can do it yourself. So most people don't know that you can cut the Color Street strips up and do what you want with them. So I'm going to show you how to do that using these samples. A lot of the time I tell my customers that instead of trying to salvage a whole separate manicure out of your nail strips, because eventually they dry out, I keep mine, and I'm a homeschool mom, so I'm a planner, and I'll use this set, the leftovers that I still have after doing mine and McKenna's nails, and I'll use those to match as an accent for my next set of nails. And then I just kind of keep going, so that way they never dry out, and I'm never upset about them drying out. And it's like you create your own little stash of like ones to play with, because it doesn't matter if you mess them up or not, because they were just extras. So it's really like free little nails. So I do seal mine back with my hair straightener, and it seems to work well for about 2 weeks, which is about the life of the nails. So any longer than that, and you're risking them like chipping off. So just use them as your accent nails. It's so perfect. And a lot of the time, if you join my Facebook group, you can win these goodies. So I'm going to put this one, which is called Rio Red. And it is like a red sparkle with these. And I think it's going to look great. And I'm going to show you how you can cut them up too. So let's do it. All you have to do is rip open your little sample or go get your pack of leftover nails. I'm not very good at ripping open the samples. I have found that in my vendor event days. And take them out like this. So I'm going to use this bigger one, and I'm going to make a solid accent nail on both of these. So these will be all red, and then I'm going to cut a strip out of this one and put them on my other two fingers just as a little extra pop. So I'm just going to put this one on like a normal strip. This is just like if you were going to layer a set, which is amazing, especially with the solids. I'll probably do a video on layering when I change this set out, and I'll rock a solid for you guys. Got this here. It's already got the Color Street polish on it. I do let them cure to your nails, because if you layer them like right after, it might peel up at the end. If it does do that, you just get a cotton swab with a little bit of fingernail polish remover, and you just go over the back of it by the cuticle, because obviously they get caught in my hair sometimes and I have to do that. So I was curious to know if the glow-in-the-dark color would come through this red, because that would be awesome. So, if not, it's still going to look great. But if so, that would be awesome. So, I'm just going to put it on, smooth it down. It's good to go. And I cut it with my fingernail, and then I'll come back and file that. And then I'm going to use the other half on this fingernail, and I'm hoping that it's long enough. This is always like my longest finger. Maybe I could cut them all down to the same size, but nobody has time for that, right? So I'm just going to smooth it on down. Yay. Good to go. And I'm going to get my little file here. And this comes in every Color Street pack, so you will accumulate a mass amount of little files. And I'm just going to file it straight down. I think that the mixed manicures are so much better. Like, that looks so much more like, wow. And then I'm going to file this one down in the same way. And that one, the end of it is a little weak, like the end of my nail is a little bendy. So I'm going to cut it back to where that red is. You can see like the red. So I'm going to cut that little piece that's breaking off afterwards, but it's okay for right now. I don't have my fingernail clippers here with me. Okay, so now for the main part. How you can cut up and make all these crazy designs that you see from these Color Street women. I don't personally like opening more than like one set at a time, because I'm scared that they'll dry out and I don't want to waste any of them. So I just use my samples and my leftovers, and you cut them like so. So you want to peel the plastic off first, because it is almost impossible to get out. I learned, I practiced a lot before I did this. It's almost impossible to get off after you've cut your strip up. And you will say bad words to your Color Street. So then I've got it on the paper here, no plastic. All I'm going to do is cut, if I can hold it, is cut into it to make a little line. So bam, and bam. And see, I've got this little line in the middle that I'm going to use for both of my little nails, so I can have a little strip of red down the middle just to match. And you can cut them diagonally. You can get like crazy with it and cut them in like 10 quadrillion different ways. Alright, so then all you have to do is peel it off the paper, which I didn't say that part was necessarily easy, but it is so worth it. Peel it up. And now you've got your color streaked. So I don't want to cover my little skull, so I'm gonna put this one on my pinky. That was crooked. But the best part is that you can just pick it up if it's crooked, because these things are amazing. So now I've got the red little streak, and then my regulars, and I love it. I don't know that that one is long enough for the other pinky, so I'm going to get my other little sample here and open it. Look, it opened, guys. It's amazing. I'm getting better. Don't forget to take off the plastic, or you're going to be mad at yourself after. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of cut it just straight down. And these are just regular, like, scissors. They are the littlest scissors. I've seen a lot of people use like craft or like sewing scissors, and a lot of women draw the design on the back prior to my background music changed. Prior to cutting them, if you were going to do some crazy design, you could just draw the design on the back on the white part and then cut it out. But keep in mind, if you do that, it's going to be reversed when you put it on your nail, because you're drawing on the opposite side. Alrighty. Boom. And we're done. Mixed mani. I love it. And I will post a video later after I put these guys in the light to see if the glow comes through. Because if so, you still have time to order the Halloween nails. See you next time. Bye.